Hello guys, today we're gonna change the engine oil filter. So let's go, start it. So look over here, this is the inspection part here. Now let's do it. Be careful, do not move it. Yes! So look, the engine oil filter is here. Just put it in it. Now, you see? Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna change the new one. Change the new engine oil filter. Okay. Wow. Oh yes, I got it out. This machine just needs me to beat it. Then it can in. Okay, now we're done. Okay, thank you Felix very much. Okay guys, now we change the engine oil filter. That's it. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.